Planet Venus. Venus is one of the brightest objects in the sky. It is always found near the sun. It rises and sets each day, so it has the nicknames morning and evening star. Scientists found that Venus rotates backward. This means that on Venus, sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge Universe, and we are going to knowledge about the planet Venus in this episode. The first person to point a telescope at Venus was Galileo Galilei in 1610. Even with his crude telescope, Galileo realized that Venus goes through phases like the moon. The atmosphere of the Venus is very hot and thick. You would not survive a visit to the surface of the planet. You could not breathe the air. You would be crushed by the enormous weight of the atmosphere, and you would burn up in the surface temperatures high enough to melt lead. Venus' atmosphere is mostly 90% of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. This is not a good air to breathe. The atmosphere is heavier than that any other planet, leading to a surface pressure 90 times that of Earth. Venus' atmosphere traps heat from the sun as an extreme version of greenhouse effect that warms Earth. The average temperature of Venus is 462 degrees Celsius. Temperature changes slightly traveling through the atmosphere, growing cooler further away from the surface. Venus is the second terrestrial planet from the Sun. In some ways, Venus is Earth's twin. It is about the same size and made of the same rocky materials. It's hard to land on Venus but not impossible. There have been numerous unmanned missions to Venus. 10 Soviet probes have achieved a soft landing on the surface, with 4 of them with photos of the Venus surface, but all without return. NASA's Mariner 2 passed the Venus in 1962, making it the first planet to be observed by a passing spacecraft. The Soviet Union's Venera 7 was the first spacecraft to land on another planet in December 1970. Venera 9 sent the first photograph of the Venusian surface. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis, which is by far the slowest of any of the major planets. It takes about 225 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. That means the days on the Venus are longer than the years. The last time we saw Venus transit was in 2012, and the next time will be 2117. The surface of the Venus is dominated by the volcanic features and has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. It has a surface that is 90% of basalt. Over 1600 major volcanoes and volcanic features are known. Mount Mons is the massive shield volcano. It is the second highest mountain and the highest volcano on the planet Venus. The 4 main mountain ranges of Venus are named as Etna Mount, Danu Mount, Freja Mount, and Maxwell Mount. These are found on Easter Terra. The presence of mountain ranges on the Venus may provide evidence that the planet's surface is in the motion. The lightning on Venus is unique from Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn. On Venus, the lightning is associated with the clouds of sulfuric acid instead of water clouds. Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of 108 million kilometers. Its radius is 6052 kilometers. The gravity on Venus is 90% to the gravity on Earth. Venus, the brightest planet in the night sky, was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. In next episode, we are going to knowledge about our home planet Earth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel Knowledge Universe, and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update.